app that I've built. You can choose one of these major barbell exercises. Maybe in a future edition, I might add the ability to add your own custom exercises. For now, there's just one category for custom. When you click on a category, this is what displays. You can enter your weight and your reps and record the set. Right now it's disabled until we put some weight in. So let's say we go and have a set today and we put in 225 pounds. To clear this, just click anywhere out here. And so let's say we do 10 reps of that first for a warm-up. Go ahead and record our set. And we'll predict our maximum weight. And it does that based on a number of things. It also gives us our personal records at various rep ranges. For instance, right now it's saying one of our records is 225 times 10. This information right here is, I can't do it on this simulator, but you can select it. So you can copy and paste this into your email app and send it to yourself. So you can use this workout log, for instance, which will start down here, and post it into whatever service you want. Say we do a couple more rounds. Let's say we do 265 by 5. It's a pretty good set. Now all of a sudden our max gets recalculated to 305. It also gives us, again, these set of weights that are suggested weight ranges and rep values for those weight ranges, and they're all end in 5, the way that you would expect them to. You may wonder how I calculate the predicted max and these rep ranges, and basically I've used a number of rep and weight charts, did some statistical analysis on them, averaged them out, and used kind of like the predicted average of all of them to come up with my own rep and weight set. Anyway, you see how the records, for instance, now we're showing that the 5 rep range, our record's 265 pounds, still have the 225 pounds at the 10, marks the date when we set the record. The workout log is by most recent set, so you can see when the last time you did the exercise was. Be right here on the top of your log. And as you do sets, they'll keep building on there at the bottom. Let's say we do one more set. Let's say we top off at 285 for 3 sets, 3 reps that is. And when both of these are in here, you can record the set, and then you can't accidentally record another set. As soon as you record the set, these two clear out. As you see, the most recent number goes on the top there. As it stands now, there's no way to clear this information. The only way you could do that kind of is to delete and re-download the app. As you see, you can do this for row, for bench. I thought there was some data in here, but there isn't. This is what it says for the first, before you put any information in. This is what it looks like. Like I said, you can't delete any of this information. You want to make sure that you only record information you really want to record. If you want to mess around with it, you might want to use a custom area if you don't have use for it, or if you don't do one of these, if for some reason you don't do squats, which, why wouldn't you do squats? You could use it to like test it out or see if, how doing one set would affect your whatever. But for the most part, like here, for this information, you could see if you do 295 for more than 2 reps, your predicted max will actually go up. So that'll be one of your best sets ever. Or if you can do 275 by 4, your max is based on, we check how much your 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 rep count is. And your max is based off of which of those is the best, as far as predicting your max, whichever one was the highest. Anyway, I like this stuff. It gives me a lot of information that I need when I'm exercising or when I'm doing weightlifting, like what my records are, what some work ranges might be, and what I did the last time I was in there. And all this, like I said, all this stuff, you could copy and paste it out of this and put it into another app and send it off to your trainer or to yourself to do Excel analysis or whatever. The app costs 99 cents, which, considering the days and days and days it took me to build this, like I said, this is my first iPhone app. it's kind of a bargain. I know that most of you are used to getting stuff for free. I know, like, for instance, the photography app is free, but they're a big project. I'm just an independent developer. I just wanted to see if anybody else would be interested in getting this. If there's a lot of interest in it, I'll add more things. Like, I'll add a plus here so we can add new exercises. I'll add a way to reset individual categories by themselves. Add and delete exercises, for instance. If there's a lot of interest in it, I might even add ways to graph your progress and that kind of stuff. Actually, just go ahead and let me know what features you'd like to have if you're interested. You can do that at LiftSick@gmail.com. That's LiftSick, the name of the app, @gmail.com. Get a hold of me and let me know what you want. And thanks for watching this app demonstration. Thanks.